In this video, I'll walk you through the steps required to install SQL Server 2016 Express Edition. In the readings that I provided a link to in the previous lesson, in the introductory lesson, I explained why SQL Server 2016 Express Edition is the right edition for us to use for this course. And just to recap, it's free, it's easy to get to, we don't have to go through any special download process like logging in or signing up for anything. And then most importantly, it has all the tools that we need to get started and nothing that we don't need. And again, I'll point you to the readings because I give a more full justification, also explain the difference between versions and editions. So use the URL that you see on screen right now to get to the download page. If that URL doesn't work anymore, please let us know at help@devu.com and I'll update it. Changes frequently. The look of this page could change frequently. So you're looking for a link that says download or try SQL Server 2016 Express, hopefully for free. All right, so I'm going to save this to my desktop and click save. And I'm going to go ahead and run the application now from my desktop. I get a user account control notice. You may not see that in the recording. We are presented with this screen that allows us to choose a basic or custom install or download the media. We really don't need that. Let's just choose the basic installation. We don't need some of the other options. The basic will work just fine. I'm going to accept the license terms. The default location is just fine, and I'm going to go ahead and click install. Now, this could take a while to download and install, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording while it goes through the next steps. Okay, and so at the end of the process, we get a very nice welcome screen with the connection string information to our new local instance of SQL Server Express. We get notifications about the log folder and where it stores the actual media and other resources. The most important thing we can do on this screen is click Install SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio. This will pop open a browser that'll allow us to download SQL Server Management Studio 16.5 or greater. And once that's downloaded, we can kick off that installation process. All right, and let's go ahead and close this window down. Yep, we'll exit. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to search for SQL Server. So under Microsoft SQL Server 2016, and look for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I'm going to connect to the local instance on my local computer. It should come up with a successful connection with a little green and white arrow. And the last thing I'm going to do before we exit out of here is actually pin this to my taskbar so I can get to SQL Server Management Studio easily from now on. Okay? So in the next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect to an Azure SQL database. And like I said in the readings that I pointed you to in the previous lesson, if you don't want to install SQL Server Express Edition on your local computer, you can use Azure SQL and connect to it using SQL Server Management Studio, and we'll do that in the next video. Thank you.